Alright guys, we got a 2004 Honda Element, probably one of the easier radios to take out. All you need is a panel removal tool. You know, I like using this little tool right here. And if you look closely up under here, there's a small little groove on this side and on that side. What we want to do is get something under here and pull this part up. Now once we pull that part up, the bottom clip, which is right here, is going to get loose, and the one on this side is going to get loose. Once we take those out and those are loose, we want to come up here and go behind and then pop those clips out up there. So basically it's literally only held in by 4 clips, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, and that thing comes off. And now all we have is 4 Phillips head screwdrivers. 4 Phillips head screws, or a 8mm, but 4 Phillips. All right, and after that we had 3 harnesses, 1 antenna, and now we have our radio. 4 Phillips and 4 clips, and that thing is out of here. So let me show you what kind of parts you need. As far as dash kit wire harness, we're going to get this new JVC radio wired up and put in. Alright, so this is the JVC radio that we will be putting in. The dash kit that we're using is the 957863. It comes with 4 pieces. This left and right bracket literally just slide in and they snap, and then you put it over the radio like this, and then it gives it this little recessed look. And then we're going to put our screws in there to secure it, and then we're going to take the 4 clips off of the old dash and put them on here, and then we're gonna mount the radio. And after we mount the radio, we're gonna snap this back on. Now we do have the 7 speaker system in this Honda Element. So the wiring harness that we're using is the 707863. I have all the links to the product in the description below. So what it comes with is your left, right, front and rear RCA jacks. And then you have only wires you have to hook up is the black for ground, illumination, that's constant, that's remote turn on for your factory amplifier, and that is ignition. So from this harness that goes to the JVC, we're only going to be wiring up 5 wires, and then we're going to tape off all the speaker wires, and everything else is going to be low level. Alright, so I have everything zip tied. I found out this is for the auxiliary retention, so that's what that one's for. So I got my wires that I'm not going to use taped up right here. The only ones that's going in is this orange, blue with white. And 9 times out of 10, I really don't hook up the orange unless it's present. Like JVC and Kenwoods have an illumination wire. So when you actually turn the lights down on the car, like dim the lights, it will dim the radio. But radios like Pioneer, Alpine, they don't have that wire because they have like an auto dimming feature inside the radio, so you may or may not have to hook that up. But either way, we're going to go ahead and hook all our stuff up, Bluetooth, auxiliary, all these RCAs, and get her going. All right, so turns out, and there's a slight mistake, I seen the left and right plug coming off of the green, and I thought that was a sub. This is actually your not your RCA, your auxiliary retention. That little black plug that we were talking about, that is for your subwoofer. So the black plug with the 1 RCA goes into the left, and now we have our sub. So let's go ahead and push this thing in here. I'm gonna go ahead and screw it down, and honestly, I think this one will fit. This is the factory plate, so we're going to put the factory plate on so it looks just more uniform with this instead of actually using the black one. And let's see how it looks. Alright, so there you have it. I'm about to go ahead and adjust all the time and date and change the colors and all that, but that's pretty much it. No steering wheel control, so we don't have to worry about it. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to share, subscribe, comment, and all the things that you need as far as how to install this will be in the links in the description below. So till next time, this is JP signing out, hoping that I made your install life a little bit easier, baby.